Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make quick, tasty and full of flavor Christmas walnut cake. So let's start. First preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half teaspoon of ground ginger. Mix the dry ingredients. We need 3 eggs at room temperature, half cup of white granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. Using a mixture, beat at high speed for about 3-5 minutes until a fluffy creamy texture. Then gradually add dry ingredients. Add zest from 1 orange. One cup of walnuts, I use 9-inch cake pan greased and lined with parchment paper. Pour our dough into cake pan. Add 1 handful cherries on top. Bake for about 20 minutes or until golden brown color, or until a toffee comes out clean from the center. My cake is ready. Let it cool completely. So my cake is cooked completely, and before serving I decorate it with powdered sugar on top. Now I will show you what it's like inside. Delicate, soft and full of flavor. This cake will not leave anyone indifferent. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas!